Hi, hello to everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about reasoning, very important reasoning questions for TCS NQT 2021. In this class, mainly we discuss reasoning questions with shortcut solutions. Please watch my video up to the end. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your nears and dears. In each of the following questions, two rows of numbers are given. The resultant numbers in each row is to be worked out separately based on the following rules. On the questions below, the rows of numbers are to be answered. The operations of numbers progress from left to right. Rules: if an odd number is followed by two-digit even number, then they are to be added. If odd number is followed by two-digit odd number, the second number is subtracted from the first. If an even number is followed by a number which is perfect square of a number, then second number is to be divided by the first number. If an even number is followed by a two-digit even number, then the first number is to be multiplied by the second number. Now 13 is the odd number, 11 is the odd number. So odd number is followed by two-digit odd number, then second number is subtracted from the first number. So 13 minus 12, this one is 2. Now 2, 4. 4 is the perfect square. One is even number, another one is perfect square. In that case, divide, second number is to be divided by the first number. So 4 by 2, that value is 4 by 2, that value is 2. Next, odd number means subtract second number from first number. So this value is 4. 4, 12. Even number means multiply. 12 4 ja, 48. Now first row multiply with second row. 48 into 2, oh, that value is 96. Option number A is the right answer. Next, P equal to Q means Q is father of P. P into Q means P is sister of Q. P question mark Q means Q is mother of Q. P dollar Q means P is brother of Q. P the symbol Q means Q is the son of P. P into Q means P is daughter of Q. Which of the following means F is the maternal uncle of G? Now check one by one. G into means here daughter. Next here, F is the maternal uncle of G. Here you see F, L, daughter of G, daughter of L. Here you see that G, daughter of L. Here F, Fn is there. F is not any meaning is there. G, daughter of L. So there is no chance to answer here. N, F, F, L. F symbol. Now I think this F symbol is this sun. So sun, L is sun. Son of, so the symbol instead of F, we have the symbol son of N. G is daughter of L. L is son of N. Now F is the paternal uncle of G. Yeah, clarity is not there, so there is no chance. This is the answer. So now NFF, EF, here the NFFL here don't have any relationship, so this is also not answer. L is equal to means father, dollar means brother, this symbol means son. L is father of F, F is brother of Q. Q is son of G. Now here F is the maternal uncle of G. There is no chance. F is the maternal uncle of G. This is also not right answer. So none of this is the right answer. Option number D is the right answer. In each of the following questions, arrange the given words in a meaningful sequence and then choose the most appropriate sequence from the amongst the alternatives provided below each question. Now here 6 sentences are given. First, which sentence will come? Here you see that. Now infancy for first will come. Next, childhood, this is second stage. Next, puberty, third stage. Adolescent, this is before this one is fourth stage. Next, adulthood, this is fifth stage. Last is senescence. That means here first stage is 4, 3, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5. Option number A is the right answer. In column 1, below are given. Some words are in column 2 are given. Their equivalences in a code language. Neither the codes nor the letters in column 2 are given in the same order as the words and their spellings in column 1. Study the two columns carefully and identify the code equivalents of letters in the words in column 1. Then choose the correct code of the letter given in each question. Now, here we see that how to solve this problem. Now here in head 4 letters is there. In routine 7 letters is there. NF 6 letters is there. Ghost 5 letters is there. Master 6 letters. Nose 4 letters. Now here you see that here 7 letters is the unique one. So here in this code 7 letters is this one. This NF is equal to this one. Next 5 letters is also unique one. So EF and QR is the second one. So 7 letters this one. Routine HLY and QSX. The 6 letters 2 is there, 4 letters are 2 is there. Here also 6 letters 2 is there. DHPQRS, EFH and OX. Which one belongs to which one? Here we find. So ENOUGH, OUN, 3 is common with routine. Here routine is HLONQX. Here remaining is H. But here H and O. H and O common, H and O common. So NF is equivalent to this one. Next another 6 letters master is equivalent to this one. Next one. Ghost. 5 letters already completed. Ghost. Next nose head. Nose head has 4 letters. else ADEH, HNOR. In this NOSE, nose, NO, NF. NF, NF is equal to EFHNOX. NO, HN common. So NO equal to this one. Head is equivalent to this one. Now, so here we find all these values. Now, what is the code for O? O here is there, here is there, here is there. In three equations, O is there. One is routine, the corresponding code. For another one, ENF. For another one, NOSC. So routine, ENF, NOSC. So among these three, we observe that E common, N common, O common, O common. So E common, En common, O common. Now ghost and NF, we observe that. Otherwise, ghost and NF we observe. Ghost O G common, O G common. Ghost code is EFNQR. NF is EFHNOXR. So F is common. EF, NF is EFHNOX. Ghost is EFNQR. EFN. O, EN, O. So H is also common. So EFH, EFN, EFN common. So here in this one, HNO, EFN, HNO. So O is here common for all this one. So O is equivalent to N. So clearly here we observe that O value is equal to N. So option number B is the right answer. Find the missing term in the following series. Or STU, two letters, U, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, next letter is G. Option number A is the right answer. Areas near the equator receive rainfall throughout the year. So this is the assertion. High temperature and high humidity causes conventional rain in most afternoons near the equator. Now the answer is, here we observe that which one is the correct answer. Now if A is false but R is true, no. If both A and R both are true, and R is the high temperatures and high humidity causes conventional rain. So R is the correct explanation of A. So option number B is the right answer. How is T related to K? R is sister of J. Or sister J has married. Or sister J has married. T's brother L. Or sister J. Or sister J R's sister is J, married to T's brother, married T's brother L. So whose brother? T brother. Who is the only son of his parents? His brother means T is the woman. K is the only daughter of L and J. L and J daughter is K. Now, how is T related to K? T is aunt of K. So T is aunt of K means here if the data in one alone are sufficient to answer the question, if the data both in statements 1 and together are not sufficient to answer the question, no. If the data in statement 1 are alone to answer the question, while the data in state 2 are alone are not answer the question, this is not wrong. Next, if data in statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question, while the data in statement 1 alone not answer the question, is also wrong. Both are needed. Both statements are needed. So both means here option number E is the right answer. So option number E is the right answer. If data in both statements 1 and 2 are together are necessary to answer the question. Next question. Next here. One night, 3 naughty boys stole a basket full of apple from the garden, hid the loot and went to sleep. Before retiring, they did some quick counting and found that the fruits were less than 100 in number. During the night, one boy awoke, counted the apples and found that he could divide the apples into 3 equal parts if he first took one for himself. So 1/3 already taken means here remaining how much is there? He then took apple, ate it up and took 1/3 of the rest. 1/3 rest means here already how much is 2/3 into 1 took for him means n minus 1. Second person also did the same thing 2/3 into n minus of minus 1. Third person also did the same thing 2/3 into n minus 1 minus 1. 8 by 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 into n minus 3. So which value satisfies this condition? We check that one. 67 minus 3 is 64. 64 is not divisible by 27. 79 minus 3 is 76. 76. 79 minus 3 is 76. 27 3 ja. 3 7 ja 21. 3 2 6 81. This is also not satisfied. So 85 minus 3 82. So once again listen 2/3 into 2/3 into 2/3 into n minus 3. But here condition, here also we check the condition. They found that the remaining apples again total one more than the could be divided into 3 equal parts. How many apples did the boy steal? So now here 79 minus 3, 76. 76. This 76 into 8. 8 into 76 divided by 27. So approximately this will be divisible by this value. So option number B is the right answer. Next, in certain code, Lee RADE means what was it? MONIL means you go. NIL POM RA means you like it. And TOLEFO means she was sick. How will you write what you like in that code? So here what? So now here you see that what here is there. What was it? Was where it is common? Was it? It is common here. Code is NIL POM RA. Here RA. RA is common to it. Was, she was 6. Code is TOKLEFO. So LE means was. DE means what? What means DE. So here in any one of them DE is there? No. So none of this is the answer. P is the husband of P. Q is the only grandson of E. Who is wife of D? And mother-in-law of P. How is B related to Q? B is husband of P. Q is the only grandson of E. Who is wife of D? Q is the only grandson of E. Who is wife of D? And mother-in-law P. How is B related to D? B related to D. B is son. Son means option number C is the right answer. If meaningful word can be formed with the third, fifth, and seventh and 10th letters of the word. Third, fifth, seventh, and 10th letters. Seventh and 10th. OE, OETN. Then the third letter of the word is the answer. If no such word can be formed, then X is the answer. And if more than one such words can be formed, then give M as the answer. Now here we see that O E T T O N E N O T E. So here two letters, more than one letter, one word will come. So option number D is the right answer. In a building, there are 13 flats on 3 floors. Floor 2, 4, 3, and floor 5. 5 flats are unoccupied. 3 managers, 2 teachers, 2 lawyers, and 1 doctor occupy the remaining flats. There are at least 3 flats on any floor and not more than 6 flats on any floor. No 2 persons of the same profession stay on any floor. On the second floor out of 4 floors, one occupant is the lawyer and he is the only one neighbor. One lawyer lives one floor below the other. The doctor is not the neighbor of any the lawyers. No flat is occupied on the third floor. How many flats are occupied on the fourth floor? That is the question. Now here once again you see flats on 3 floors, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 5 plots are unoccupied. 5 plots are not occupied. Now here we see that first is 3 managers, 2 teachers, 2 lawyers, 1 doctor occupy the remaining flats. There are at least 3 flats on any floor and not more than 6 flats on any floor. No 2 persons of the same profession stay on any floor. On floor 2, out of 4 flats, 1 occupant is the lawyer. In floor 2, 1 occupant is the lawyer. Here 4 slots is there. And he is the only one neighbor. He has only one neighbor. One lawyer lives one floor below the other. So second, third, and fourth. The doctor is not neighbor of any of the lawyers. No flat is occupied on the floor. No flat is occupied on any floor. Now lawyer is there here. Another 3 vacancies is there. There totally flats are unoccupied is 3 managers, 2 teachers, 2 lawyers, 1 doctor. Here conditions also will see here. There are at least 3 flats on any floor. Totally 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Here 4 is there. Here 3. Here 5. 5 to 6 flats is there. 6. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 8. I think here 4. Here 4. 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Here 5. Here 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. No 2 persons of the same person stay on any floor. So here lawyer is there, here lawyer is there. 2 lawyers completed. So 3 managers. Here 1 manager, here also 1 manager, here also 1 manager. 3 managers completed. 2 teachers. One lawyer lives one floor below the other. Okay, the doctor is not the neighbor of any 2 lawyers. Teacher, 2 teachers, 1 doctor. 3, 5. 2 teachers, 1 doctor. Manager, teacher, and also 1 doctor. So in 5th floor, how many members occupied? Manager, teacher, and doctor. 3 members. So option number C is the right answer. Next, a pair of words you are given, followed by 4 pairs of words are alternative. The candidate is required to choose the pair in which the words bear the same relationship to each other as the words of the given pair bear. Garbage, scholar. Dirtiness, killness, no, it is not suitable. Poor hunger is not suitable. Diamond, magnificent. It is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Next. Study the following arrangement carefully and answer the questions given below. J, Y2, this series is given. How many such numbers are there? Each of which is neither immediately followed by a symbol or immediately preceded by a letter, but not both. Now here we see that. Here this one is followed, symbol is followed, letter is followed, Letter is preceded, symbol is followed. Totally 4. 4 means option number D is the right answer. Next, a word arrangement mixin when given as input line of words. Rearrange it every step following certain rule. Following is an illustration of input line of words and various steps of arrangements are given. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 4 is given. So step 4 is the last step for input. Now find out an approximate step in each of the following questions given below rule. Which of the following will be the last step of the above input? Now here we see, take is here G A G T E B S. So highest letter is T. T comes first. We write remaining thing as T as. Next T S comes last. Next highest is next S comes next last. So like this T S comes to third position. Next here the G comes last second one. Otherwise E comes last one, G comes last second one. In this way we write ink, hurry, yet for the victory. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many steps it takes to write same thing? Yet is the highest letter. So yet to write remaining thing I, H, F, T, V. This is step 2, 1. Step 2. Next highest letter moves to last. Y, I, H, F, V, T. Y, I, T, H, F, V. Next, this is third one. Fourth one. Y, I, T, H. It is this one. V, F. Next fifth one. Y, I, T, V, F, H. So total in 5 steps it will complete. So option number D is the right answer, 5. We have a problem. At your workplace that's really troubling you. What will you do? Trust and brush it as trivial. That's what things keep happening. Next one is wrong answer. Ask everyone in your family what you do, what you should do. That is also wrong answer. So sit down peacefully to try and find a solution. This is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Next one. The public charitable trust decides to select medical officers for its rural hospital based on the following criteria. The applicant must be holding MBBS degree with a minimum 50% marks, have minimum 4 years of experience of full-time practice in rural areas, be ready to execute a part of 3 years of service have good knowledge of the local language in case of the applicant who satisfy all other criteria except at 2 above but has 4 years of full-time experience of practice either in urban or semi-urban area and spent at least 5 years in rural areas any time during his life. He referred to security of the trust. At 4 above, but he has working knowledge of Hindi, be referred to assistant secretary of the trust. At 1 above, but he has minimum 45% marks at MBBS and he has done MS or MD with minimum 50% be referred to the chief medical officer. At 3 above, but he is ready to give 25,000 as security money be referred to the president of the trust. Based on these criteria, and the information provided below, decide the course of action. In each case, we are not to assume anything if the data is not adequate to decide the given course of action. Your answer will be data inadequate. All cases given to fulfill criteria of age and therefore no details of the age are provided. The action are given to as on the present day. Now see question on this one. Vivek secured 47% marks at MBBS and he has done his MD with 62% marks. He has 5 years experience running a dispensary in a village and can read, write and speak the local language. He is ready to give a bond of only 2 years of service and is unable to give security money as he wants to start a rural hospital afterwards in his native state. Now here we see that conditions in previous slide. So MBBS with the 50% marks. That marks is not there here. So marks is not 50% not there in MBBS. So he is not to be selected. So option number B is the right answer. Next question. Yes. In each of the following questions, the set of figures carrying certain characteristics is given, assuming that the characters in each set follow a similar pattern. Find the missing character in each case. 1, 5, 4, 3. So suppose square this one. 1 square plus 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. 5 square 25 into 16. 25 plus 16, 41. 41 plus 9, 50 plus 1, 51 into 10 to get this value. 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 25 plus 36, 61 plus 4, 65, 65 into 10, 650 we get. 1 square, 1 plus 2 square, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8 square, 64, 69, 69 plus 0 square, 69, 69 into 10, 690. So option number C is the right answer. Next, find the missing term in the series. 6 into 3, 18. 3 into 7, 21. 7 into, here how much value we get 56? 7 into 8, 56. 8 is the right answer. Kailash faces towards north. Turning to his right, he walks 25 meters. He then turned to his left and walks 30 meters. Next, he moves 25 meters to his right. He then turns to his right again, and walks 55 meters. Finally, he turns to the right and moves 40 meters. In which direction is now from the starting point? This is east, south, southeast. Option number B is the right answer. Next, you are in the parking area of a shopping complex, and suddenly the electricity fails and there is total darkness. You will shout for help, wait till the light comes, try and take help from someone around, crawl towards your vehicle. So which one is the correct one here? Here you see that crawl towards your vehicle. So option number D is the right answer. In the following letter series, some of the letters are missing which are given in that order as one of the alternative below it. Choose the correct alternative. B, C, A, C, C, A. So B, C, A. So which one we get that one? Here we observe that. So B, C, A, C, C, A, B, A, B, B, C, B, C, A. Suppose we put B, 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 C, B, 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 C, A, C, C, A, A, B, A, B, 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 P, C, C, A. So option number A is the right answer. A newspaper always has editor, newspaper, advertisement, news, date. Newspaper always has editor also there, paper, advertisement, news, date. Date is there. Date is there, news is there. So generally it consists of news. Option number D is the right answer. Newspaper has news. From time to time, the managing director of company appoints planning committee, each consisting of exactly 3 members, eligible for appointment are 3 executive from finance, B, C, and D, and 3 executives from operations, E, F, and M. Any given committee is subject to the following restrictions and appointments. At least one member must be from finance and at least one member must be from operations. If B is appointed, C cannot be appointed. Neither D nor E, F can be appointed unless the other is also appointed. If E is appointed, M must be appointed. If appointees from operations are in majority in a committee, that committee must include. Now here you see that first here from finance 3 members is there, BCD, from operations E, F, and M. At least one member must be from finance and at least one member must be from operations. One from finance, one from operations. B is appointed, C cannot be appointed. B appointed, C cannot be appointed, C cannot be appointed. Neither D nor F can be appointed unless the other also appointed. Neither D nor F. D is not appointed. Appointment unless the other also appointed. F is also not appointed. If E is appointed, M must be appointed. Here E is appointed, M is also appointed. If appointees from operations are in majority in a committee, that committee must include operations E, M include. From from here, finance will take B. That committee must include BEM, must include compulsory will include M. Option number D is the right answer. Ashoka pillars have retained their glows on their surface. Moisture laden winds do not blow in the area where it is located. First, if both A and are true and R is the correct explanation of A, no. Both A and are true and R is not correct explanation of A, no. If A is true but R is false, that is the right answer. Next question. Choose the word or group of word which is different from others. G, E, M, K, W, Q, N. G, F, E, F, G. 7. Now M, 13. K, J, K, 11. 11, 13. T, 20. U, 21. 23. N, N is 14. N, O, P, Q. O, 15. P, 16. Q, 17. Here more difference is there. So option number D is the right answer. Use the following series of elements to answer the following questions. Every two-digit number is to be treated as single number. Four of the following five groups of elements are alike in a certain way and so form a group which is the one that does not belong to that group. 5, 6B. 5, 6B consecutively there. 1, 2E. 1, 2E, that is continuous not there. Most probably this is the answer. DR7, DR7, $9, 2 star 8. So only this one is not there. So option number B is the right answer. And oasis always has. An oasis always has water. Option number A is the right answer. If 100 cats kill 100 mice in 100 days, then 4 cats would kill 4 mice in how many days? Here 4 cats kill in how many days? That 4 mice. 100 cats kill 100 mice in 100 days. 4 cats kill in 4 mice in how many days? Mice means work here. So 100 into 4 into 100 equal to 4 into 100 into question mark. 4 get cancelled. Question mark equal to 100. So option number B is the right answer. Next last question. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order and then choose the word that comes in last place. T-R-A, 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 T-R-A-N, T-R-A-N, T-R-A-N. Yes, T-R-A-N, yes, comma. First I comes. So first I comes. This one first position. I J K L. This is second position. L M N O M M is the third position. N O P P here is there. P, L. This is the fourth position. This is fifth position. Now the question is which comes last position. So option number C comes last position. So up to this, all the questions completed. So I think everyone understood all the shortcut methods which are using in reasoning questions. So please watch my videos up to the up to end. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your nears and dears. Thanks to everyone.